Good morning. Welcome to Amy's Beauty Journey. Today, I am going to be doing a nude cat eye with a little bit of shimmer, mostly skin tones, some browns to define my lids. Today, I'm just going to work, so I'm not doing anything too glam today, but it is an everyday look that's also sexy and very versatile. So that's why I'm deciding to show it to you, because I feel that this look can be adapted to a lot of situations. It can be worn out to dinner, it can be worn out to a picnic, it can be worn out shopping, it can be worn to a job interview. You can even wear this look somewhere like a wedding. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope that I'm helping you stay positive and stay paying attention to your inner and outer beauty, because it's so important these days, especially when we're all home quarantining, to take care of yourself. Don't let that importance fade. It is still important to do things that make you feel good, and don't let anybody shame you for wearing makeup. That doesn't mean that you're insecure, that doesn't mean that you feel ugly, and that doesn't mean that you're trying to be something that you're not. That means that you're taking care of yourself and that you are shining the best you can shine, and you're putting your best foot forward for this world, whether that be in your own home or whether that be a walk down the street that you're taking just for self-care. All right, so let's get started. Alright, so I've completed this look. I hope that you enjoyed that. As you can see, it's a really shimmery cat eye. I did my cat eyes a little big, but that's okay. The bigger the better, why not? And I will try my hardest to list all of the products below. I'm going to try something different with this video. As far as my editing, I'm going to try to speed up when I do my makeup and then just include the instructions for the products that I use and where to put them. So if you like that, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any comments at all, I would really appreciate hearing what you have to say. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please, I know I can't sing, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate you supporting my beauty journey. I promise to keep you positive, and I promise to keep you loving yourself during these hard times, and also to show why these times aren't so hard. In the long run, we do have a lot to be thankful for, so stay thankful. I'm going to go and do my hair, and I'm going to put on my outfit for today, and I'm going to give you a little look of my completed look. Alright, have a lovely day. Okay, so now I have my hair and my outfit on. It's very cold outside. It's raining like it has been pretty much every single day for months, so I've been dressing warm pretty much every single day for months now. But as you can see, I have my little butterfly necklace that I got from Hot Topic, and then my little matching butterfly clip that I got from Claire's, and I got these from icing. I got this ring from Hot Topic, and I got this shirt from Rue 21, and this was a Christmas gift from my father. Thanks, Dad. So I hope that you again have a wonderful day and that you're feeling good about yourself all day. Alright? If you ever start to feel bad about yourself, just sit down and think of 3 things that you are grateful for, and that will help you, because we do all have a lot to be grateful for. Alright, much love to you all. Bye!